there, I'm Erica. Welcome to Destiny Care Providers. Join me while we take a tour of your new home, a Congregate Living Health Facility. Come on in. It is our mission to provide compassionate, individualized, and comprehensive care in a home-like environment. This is bedroom 1. Here at Destiny Care Providers, we consider it our privilege to ensure the safety and security of your loved ones. We strive to create an atmosphere of respect and dignity by providing care to each individual at the level that is best suited for that person. Destiny Care Providers is a residential home fully staffed with licensed or certified medical professionals catered to take care of your loved one's needs. Here at Destiny Care Providers, you can rest assured you and your loved one will receive all the care and support they will need. We partner with a registered dietitian who works with you to provide customized and nutritious home-cooked meals catered to your loved one's own preferences. Welcome to the heart of the home, the family room, where you are able to relax with your loved ones. Our Life Enrichment program is geared towards residents' spiritual, emotional, and physical needs. Thank you so much for joining me today. We look forward to seeing you.